Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. Let's get started with some puzzles. We'll start with the Hoshi. Average time for today is almost 3 minutes, so this is a little bit tougher than average. So let's see how it goes. We'll start with the small regions as usual. Okay, we have to have one here because there must be one in one of those two spots. Okay, we can cancel out some because of this green region. What else do we have? Okay, there has to be one there. This little region. And there has to be one here. One of these two spots. So there has to be one here, and here, 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 here. Oh wow, that was very fast. I'm surprised the average time was so long for that one. That was a good performance. Wow, that's one of my best. Nice. 54 seconds. Okay, great. Let's move on to the Tango. So the Tango is average time of 2 minutes, which is pretty normal. Let's see. This is a pretty fast-paced puzzle, so it's a bit harder to do commentary. Let's see. Alright, so yeah, we're just sort of playing a lot of forced moves. Oops. Yeah, maybe for some of the harder tangos I can commentate more, but it's hard for me to keep up with the pace that I'm moving. Okay. Alright, nice. That was good. 54 seconds. Okay, now we'll do the Guriddo. As usual, this one's pretty long, so 12-minute average. This is not insanely long for the Guriddo, maybe slightly longer than average. This one's a lot slower paced. Okay, so this could either be a 1 or a 4, but there's already a 1, so it's got to be 4. This has to match up with the 4. Oh, wait. There has to be a 5 in one of these 3 spots, and it can't be here or here, so we need a 5 there. What else? So this could either be a 6 or a 7, I think, because it has to work with both the row and the column. Well, okay, these 4 we know are 6, 7, 9. So I'll just put that in there. What else do we know? This has to be a 3 because the 5 doesn't work with the 1 there. This is 2, 4, 2, 4. This is 6, 7, 6, 7. Okay, so this one has to be fairly low to work with 4 here. In fact, this can't be a 2 because no matter what this would be, it wouldn't work. So this has to be a 4, 2. All right. What else do we have? So this little row is also 6, 8, 9. 6, 8, 9. Well, actually, it can't even be a 6, because that would have to be a 7, and that would have to be an 8, but that doesn't work. So this is 6, 8, 9. 6, 8, 9. Okay, but both of these could actually be 6s, I think. This is 7, 9. Okay. So what's the deal now? We can fill out some. So these 3 squares are 2, 3, 4. So this is 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. What else can we do here? So, this actually can't be a 6. We need to have a 6 in one of these 2 spots, because it can't be 4, 3, because we already have a 3. So this can't be a 6. Ooh, no, it cannot be a 6, which means that the 6 has to be here. Okay, that's pretty useful. What can we do now? So I can fill out some things here. So this is a 7, 8, 9. Oh, there can't be a 9 there, of course. 7. Oh, in fact, yeah, I mean, this can only be a 7. So 7, 6, 9, 8. Okay, that's good. Now, what about... Okay, I mean, I can fill out. Oh, so we probably need an 8 in one of these 3. Yeah, but it can't be here or here. So that means an 8 has to be there. This could be 7 or 9. This could be... Okay, well, whatever this is, one of these 3 elements has to be an 8. And it can't be here or here, so there must be an 8 there. 9. I guess you can be 6, 7, 9. Alright, anyway. So now this is not a 5. This is a 6 or a 9. 6 or 9. Okay, what about this square? Or this square? Oh, so one of these must surely be a 7. Right. Because the lowest that these could be is a 6. And they can't both be a 6. So one of them has to be a 7, which means that the 7 can't be there. So this is filled out like this. 7. Okay, so this, what could be? Oh, now you have to be 9. Okay. Now what? Okay, so one of these has to be a 7, and one of them has to be a 6. Okay, so that means that there has to be a 5 here also. So I can just fill in 6, 7, 6, 7. Which means what about this? That means that this is also 6, 7, right? Right. Okay, and now this little column of 5 is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Does that help us? Probably not yet. Okay, maybe this top row. So this top row, we need a 7, 6, 5, 4, 2. So this can only be a 6 or 7. Can't be 5, 4, 2. 5, 4, 2. So the only one that works is a 5 here, because it had to be adjacent to that 6, 7 block. Okay, this means that this is 4, 2. And this 3. Oh, this can only be a 3. 3, 4, 2, 4, 3. Okay, nice. Now, this little trio is a 1, 2, 4. So the 1 has to be there. Now 2, 4. Well, there can't be a 2 here, so the 4 is there. The 2 is there. This has to be a 6. This could be 1 or 3. Now what about here? We still don't have anything there. Now what about this block? Is pretty limited. This could either be a 1 or a 2. Oh, so it just has to be a 1. Now, can we finish this bottom row? We need a 4. Where could the 4 be? No 4, no 4. Could this be a 4? No, this can't be a 4 because there wouldn't be enough. So the 4 must be there. 2, 4, 3, 5, 4, 2, 3. Now we're almost finished. We need a 5 somewhere. There can't be a 5 here, actually, because there can't be 7s on either of those. So the 5 has to be here. And this is now 7, 8. So 8, 7, 9, 8, 9. All right. That was good. Above the average, a little bit below the median, but I think for the longer ones, it's a little bit of a disadvantage to be talking, but not much. I mean, I thought that was still pretty good. Okay, so now we'll do the Akari. This is my worst puzzle. I'm really bad at this one. This is 247 average time, 10 by 10 board. Again, pretty standard. So let's fill out some of these zeros. A lot of zeros on this board. So that 1 has to be there. So we can fill this 3. And also this 2 here. And this 1. All right, now is where we have to think a little bit. Okay. What's the idea here? Okay, so, okay, there has to be one for this one block here. There has to be one there or there, which means there or there is impossible. Because, yeah, it's shared with the other one. So maybe we just guess one of these. But what do we guess? I think this is actually a decent guess. Just to see what happens. Oh. Okay, so this is not possible. So our guess was wrong. So it's not a 1 there, which means there has to be 1 there, 1 there. It also means what? What does it mean? Oh, there has to be 1 there. Okay, so there has to be one of these 2 spots on the left side of the board, there or there. But which? Okay, maybe we'll just pick one and see. Oh, so this one's obviously not possible. So it's got to be there, there. Now this column needs 1. There, there, there. All right, slightly below the average, but not too terrible. I'm also pretty new on this puzzle, so. All right, last one is the Tawa. This one's a fun one. Oh, and a very short puzzle, so I've got to be fast. So it's also a small board. It's a 4x4. Okay, so 4 here, 4 here, 4 here, 4 here. So 3 here. Oh gosh, I'm choking. 3 here. Let's just... I don't know what I'm doing. 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Ah, I guessed wrong. So it's not a 1 there. So it must be a 2 here. 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Ah. Yeah, that one's tough. When you decide to go with the early guess route, if you get it wrong, then it's a bit painful. All right, that was a good day across the puzzles, I'd say. This last one was the only one that I thought could have definitely been better. But, all right, well, that's all for today. I'll see you guys next time.